In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Google Ads campaign. This straightforward process can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Google Ads website, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL ads.google.com, which will take you to the Google Ads homepage. Here, Google offers a variety of tools to help you reach potential customers and optimize your advertising efforts. However, if you're looking to streamline your campaigns or remove outdated ones, this guide is just what you need. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to access your Google Ads account. It's important to ensure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple campaigns or accounts. Double check that your credentials are right before proceeding further. Next, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home interface. This is your starting point for accessing all your advertising tools. From this dashboard, locate the Campaigns tab, which is usually on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on Campaigns will display a list of all active and paused campaigns associated with your account. Take a moment to review the list and identify the specific campaign you wish to delete. Once you've found it, click on the campaign to select it. At this stage, be certain that the campaign you're about to delete is indeed the one you want to remove, as this action is irreversible. Now that you've selected the appropriate campaign, direct your attention to the editing options, usually located at the top or the side of your screen. Look for the edit button, which will allow you to make various adjustments to your campaign settings. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, choose the Remove option. This will prompt a confirmation message ensuring that you intend to permanently delete the selected campaign. Carefully confirm your decision, and with this final step, the campaign will be removed from your account. Remember that once a campaign is deleted, it can't be restored, so make sure you're ready to part with it before clicking that final confirmation. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a Google Ads campaign. This process can help you keep your advertising efforts organized and focused on what truly matters. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your Google Ads account, feel free to explore Google's extensive support resources. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.